You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this internet personality YouTuber. If you want to learn more celebrity names, more YouTuber names that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned. I've got tons more for you. Nailea. Nailea is how you pronounce her name, a name of Hawaiian origin meaning beautiful eyes. Nailea Devora. Nailea Devora. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.